In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. After that, tap at that icon to open up your DMS. Here we can find all the notes, or our notes and notes from other users. At the very first position, you can see my last note, and all we have to do in order to delete it is just tap on it and tap add. Delete note. That's how you can easily remove notes on Instagram.